story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ultra-low emissions vehicle, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, privacy glass, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, child safety locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.